Barn Point Hilux Front Bumper Installation Guide. First, install the front baffle. Secure the back side with screws. Install the middle guard plate. Secure the lower part with screws, spring washers and flat washers. Secure the upper part with nuts. Do not tighten fully at this stage. Repeat the same steps for the side guard plates. Install the decorative pieces with the openings facing inward. Secure with screws and washers. Install the lower guard plate. Secure with screws and washers. Repeat the same steps for the side guard plates. Install the license plate bracket. Install the radar bracket following the same method. Adjust the front to be horizontal, then install the bracket cover. Mount the front bumper bracket onto the anti-collision beam. Use washers and spring washers. Note: the screws shown in this step may differ from the finished product, for reference only. Confirm the position and tighten the screws. Install the winch bracket. Tighten the front and lower screws. Perform a trial installation of the front bumper. Confirm the positions of all upper guard plates, then tighten the screws. Proceed with the formal installation of the front bumper. Secure the winch position with screws, washers and nuts. Install the left and right side braces. Secure the upper and lower parts with screws, washers and nuts. Install clip nuts on the lower guard plate. Secure with screws and washers. Secure the wheel fender liner area with screws and nuts. Reinstall the front grille. Light wiring requires wire splicing for installation. The installation guide is hereby completed. Thank you for choosing Barn Point.